Controversial Meru Senator Mithika Linturi has filed a case in court attempting to stop the DCI from arresting him and charging him with attempted rape. The legislator claims that the DCI was planning to arrest him on claims that he entered a couple's room and attempted to rape a woman while she slept, waiting for her husband, who was in the company of his friends at a resort in Nanyuki. Linturi, however, says that the couple and their friends were extorting him of money from him after kidnapping him and roughing him up.
Meru Senator Mithika Linturi is once again on the spot for allegedly entering into a couple's hotel room and allegedly attempting to rape a woman when her husband was out with her friends at a local resort in Nanyuki. Linturi has moved to court seeking to stop the police after learning through a letter of complaint that they were planning to arrest and charge him with the offences of attempted rape and indecent act with an adult. According to police documents, the woman reported that she was with her husband and friends at a resort in Nanyuki on January 29, 2021. According to the couple's complaint to the DCI, the woman says that she had retired to her room but did not lock the door as instructed by her husband, who was still out. At about 3 a.m., she had the door being unlocked, and since the lights were switched off, she assumed it was her husband who had returned. The person entered the bed and started touching her in a very unusual manner, she claims in the report. However, according to the woman, the man she thought was her husband never uttered a single word, while he inappropriately touched her before they both fell asleep. She further says that 30 minutes later she had a knock on the door and went to open the door only to find her husband standing at the door, prompting her to switch on the lights, since she was confused who was in her bed. This is when they noticed that a stranger had been in bed with her all along. They are reported to have raised alarm, and their friends who were with them in the resort came to investigate, and one of them is reported to have identified the stranger as Linturi. The woman alleged that Linturi offered to settle the matter amicably by offering them 200,000 shillings in cash and another 800,000 shillings check, but later reported them for extorting him. The couple decided to file their complaint of attempted rape and indecent act with an adult against him, which he may be charged if the DPP approved the charge sheet. But in his application through lawyer Charles Mongela, Linturi has rubbished the claims and wants the court to bar the state from charging and arresting him for the alleged attempted rape and indecent act with an adult. According to Linturi, the couple and their friends stormed his villa at the resort, kidnapped him, beat him up and undressed him, and took pictures of him threatening to release them in public. Linturi says that is when they ordered him to pay 1 million shillings. Linturi further says that he agreed and called his associates, who sent him 298,000 shillings via M-Pesa, but the group declined to have the monies sent to their phones and instead ordered Linturi to go to his bank and withdraw money and pay them cash. Linturi says they agreed to draft an agreement at 5:45 a.m., saying he would keep his word and pay them. Linturi also says the Interior CS Fred Matiang'i, while answering summons from the Senate Committee on National Security, said police intended to charge him with attempted rape as an added charge to the forgery charge he has been facing since May this year. The legislator argues that the alleged attempted rape charge was never disclosed to him or the court in May this year, when he filed and got orders to stop the forgery charges. He says he was unaware of the additional criminal offence of attempted rape and indecent act with an adult, which has come as a surprise to him. Nimrod Tabu, Citizen TV.